Looking to kickstart your freelancing career? We've got you covered. These are 2025 best freelancing platforms to maximize your income. Here are 10 of the best platforms for freelancers in various industries, along with their pros and cons. 1. Upwork, the all-in-one freelancing platform. Upwork is great for freelancers in writing, programming, design, and marketing. Pros: secure payments and milestone protection, large client base and long-term projects. Cons: high service fees, 5–20%, tough competition for beginners. 2. Fiverr, the gig economy leader, best for small, fixed-price gigs, starting at $5. Pros: quick and easy setup, great for beginners. Cons: high competition. Fiverr takes a 20% commission. 3. Toptal, premium clients and high earnings, best for high-quality developers, designers, and finance experts. Pros: exclusive, high-quality projects, top-tier earnings. Cons: extremely difficult to get accepted, requires strong experience. 4. Freelancer, competitive bidding system, best for competitive bidding on various freelance projects. Pros: contests for extra earnings, large job variety. Clients often choose the lowest bid, high fees for upgrades. 5. People per hour, the European freelance hub, best for European freelancers and clients. AI job matching, checkmark, strong presence in Europe. Cons: high commission fees, limited job categories. 6. Guru, flexible contracts and secure payments, best for business and technical freelancers. Checkmark, secure milestone payments, collaborative workrooms, fewer job postings compared to Upwork, 5–9% service fees. 7. Flexjobs, no scams, just real jobs, best for remote work and telecommuting jobs, no scams, 100% verified jobs, excellent for remote work seekers, requires a paid subscription, no free job listings. 8. We Work Remotely, a remote-only job board, best for tech and creative professionals. Pros: no commission fees, high-quality job postings. Cons: limited job variety, no built-in payment protection. 9. 99 Designs, the perfect platform for designers, best for graphic designers. Pros: great for portfolio building, high-paying opportunities. Cons: contests mean unpaid work if you don't win. High fees, up to 30%. 10. Behance and Dribbble, the creative portfolio powerhouses, best for designers, illustrators, and artists. Pros: showcase your work and attract clients, free to use with networking opportunities. Cons: less direct job listings, need strong visibility to attract clients whether you're a beginner or a pro. These freelancing platforms can help you find the right opportunities. Pick the one that fits your skills and start earning today. Which freelancing platform do you prefer? Comment below.